Our goal is to give everyone a 5-star experience, and it's great to know that our efforts are so appreciated. Here's a fantastic review we're happy to share right now. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.